Sawadee you are here with me at Bangkok E-Bike. We are Thailand #1 e-bicycle shop here in Bangkok. Basically what we provide is the e-bike conversion service. You can bring your own bicycle, from your country, or even if you have already an existing one here in Thailand, bring it to us. We will help you convert your bicycle into a working e-bike. So this is a very convenient and is already doing what you have, convert it into something more fun and something that can get you from A to B faster and safer. Basically what we are trying to show you today is the conversion, one of the conversion that we have been doing recently. This is a Trindex. It's 17 inches frame on 500 watt motor and on 15 amp hour battery. With this combination, you can go up to speed about 45 km per hour, with pedal assist. And also you get a range at about 100 km plus. But if you pedal assist it, if you use your own force for about 80% and 20% actually have the motor help you work on it, you get longer distance. Sometimes our customer get about 200 km per charge. So that's a fantastic range for this combination. 500 watt motor is just a sweet spot, it's not too powerful and it's not too weak to get you from 0 to 30 km too slow. It's quite fast and it's good for alley, it's good for cruising, or if you're doing a road trip about 100 or 200 km per day. This motor is basically just a sweet spot in my opinion. But if you have more budget, you can step up to mid-drive motor, but that is your choice. For something like this, Trindex bike, aluminum frame, is well made. It got hydraulic brake, up top. We set it up with the controller, with the LCD screen and everything. And you actually have 30 speed here. 3 on the front and 10 on the back, for a cassette that you can actually playing around with analog gear. But for digital gear, for electric motor gear, we also have it. You can tune it on your screen for 5 additional gear. So all these combination, it just costs you less than 40,000 baht. The price go up and down. It depends on the supply of the bicycle. So check your bicycle size from us, because you might need a larger frame. In front of me here is 17 inches frame, but then if you're a bigger person, is a large foreigners, things like that, then you might need a 19-inch frame. Yes, basically if you are a taller person, you might need a larger frame. If you have longer leg, then you might need a seat extension. You might need a stem extension on the front. So the whole customization is up to you. Just come to us at Bangkok E-Bike and we will work it out for you. We even deliver the bike to your door. If you are Samui, Phuket, Got Lan, anywhere in Thailand, we deliver it to you, okay? So call us or visit us at our showroom, Bangkok E-Bike. See you again next time. สวัสดีครับ Bangkok E-Bike เรามีบริการรับติดตั้งมอเตอร์ไฟฟ้าบนจักรยานของคุณนะครับสนใจข้อมูลของสินค้าติดต่อสอบถามว่ารุ่นไหนเหมาะกับคุณของคุณติดได้หรือไม่ควรจะมีแบตเตอรี่ขนาดใหญ่เท่าไหนระยะทางของคุณต้องการไกลเท่าไหร่หรือความเร็วสูงสุดของคุณต้องการไปเร็วแค่ไหนติดต่อเรามาได้เลยนะครับที่ Bangkok E-Bike ตามคอนแทคด้านล่างนี้เลยสำหรับวันนี้สวัสดีครับ